today I will be showing you how to make your own DIY fidget spinner. So let's get started on what you will need. So you will need 4 skateboard bearings and a hot glue gun and some toothpicks.
Yeah, I know I'm taking the bearings out of my skateboard, but when I'm done with the fidget, I can take it apart and put it back in the skateboard so that I can use my skateboard again.
Hey guys, I'm just going to use one of these bearings from the skateboard, so let's take it off. Okay, so we're just going to pry the bearing out of the skateboard wheel, so just be careful. So here's the bearing. Okay, so we're just going to put the rest of the skateboard parts on so that we don't lose anything from the skateboard. And there you go, you have your bearing. So I'm just cleaning the bearing. It's only an AVAC 3, but this will do for the fidget spinner. So I'm just cleaning it before we start. Okay guys, so you will have to get your toothpick and the glue and just roll it in there, make sure you have enough. And then when you have enough, just roll it onto the bearing. Okay. Then what you're gonna do is squish that together and make sure it sticks. And then do that 2 more times to make it in the shape of a fidget. So make sure you use parchment paper because it won't stick, and let it dry for 10 minutes at least, and it will work out fine. So now that you got your bearings, you can glue them together. So I used a glue gun, and it didn't stick together quite well, so I used a second glue which is meant for steel, and it glued pretty well. So let's give it a spin. So it's awesome. It spins really well, and I prefer to make this because it's super cool. So yeah, there's your fidget spinner. So thank you guys so much for watching this DIY fidget spinner video.